Hello children, how do you feel today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you tired? Tell me, how do you feel? Happy? Very good. I hope you are very well with your family and stay at home. Today, we are going to work with the verbs from Unit 7. Pay attention. These are your verbs. Please guys, open your notebook and find the Unit 7. Now, check if you have your verbs. If you say yes, very good. Today, you are going to work with them. But if you say no, don't worry. At the end of the class, you can print the list and paste in your notebook. Let's start. I say the verb and you repeat after me. Number 1. To touch. This is the OGC and the meaning is tocar. Number 2. To wash. This is the OGC and the meaning is lavar. Number 3. To brush. This is the OGC and the meaning is cepillar. Number 4. To shake. This is the OGC and the meaning is sacudir. Number 5. To clap. This is the OGC and the meaning is aplaudir. Number 6. To close. This is the OGC and the meaning is cerrar. Number 7. To paste. This is the OGC and the meaning is pegar. Now guys, repeat the verbs one by one. To touch. To wash. To brush. To shake. To clap. To close. To paste. These are your verbs from Unit 7. Now, let's continue with your exercise number 3. In this exercise, you are going to look the pictures and write the correct verb. Remember, write the long day. Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. The challenge. I stay at home with my family. The handwriting. Eyes, nose, ears, hair, mouth, face. Also guys, for today, you had homework. This is your homework. Write 2 times the verbs and illustrate. Very easy, guys. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 verbs. Remember, in your homework, you only write the short day. April 23rd, 2020. And write the word homework in a blue square. Yes, guys? Very good. What do you believe, guys? The class is over. Remember, guys, to tell your parents to print your sheets, solve them, and paste in your notebook. Thank you, guys. Take care, you and your family. Please, stay at home all time. Goodbye, guys. Kisses. Remember, send me an email if you had questions. Kisses, guys. Bye bye.